Today I'm going to be talking about adding documents from your Google Drive to your Google Classroom. On the screen you will see this is my stream for my Google Classroom. I'm going to start by going up to Classwork, and under Classwork I would click Create to make a new assignment. However, for time's sake, and for this tutorial, I've already started a draft of what I would like to do. So what we're going to do next is, I've already written that this is going to be a Math Enrichment Part 2. And my directions say, please read this Google Doc out loud to an adult at home. Then log on to ConnectEd. Follow the directions on the Google Doc. In the comments below, please tell me the name of the tutorial you watched today. Please use complete sentences in your response. Here is an example. I watched the multiplication and division diagram tutorial. So now I'm ready to add my document directly from Google Drive. So as you can see, to attach an item from Google Drive, there are going to be lots of options. So you're going to click Add and come down to Google Drive. From there, it's going to give you several places to look from. I happened to go into Drive ahead of time and I had this be in my recent, so I clicked on it and it came up first in my Drive. But you can look under different files, such as what you have recent, what you have uploaded. You can go to your entire Drive and look through all of your folders that you have. Any shared drive you may have. For example, I have a shared drive that has to do with our teaching staff. So I could click on there if there was something I wanted to share. And then the starred. I happen to have, not sure exactly which one that is. So I'm going to go ahead and add from Google Drive again my math tutorial, the Math Enrichment. So I'm going to click Insert here on the bottom. And then your next option says Students can view file. This is a document that I want them to use again and again throughout the school year, and I don't want them to manipulate it. So it's almost like a textbook. So I'm going to leave it at Students can view file. And from there, I'm going to click up here to Assign. On the right hand side, it's going to ask me. It says students will see the assignment in their streams immediately, and I'm going to click Assign. And then just to double check, we'll go back to the stream, and there is my assignment. So it says I posted a new assignment, Math Enrichment Part 2. When you click on it, so far no one's turned anything in. I included my husband as a student as we're kind of navigating through some of this as well. But you can double check the instructions and it looks like everything is there directly from Google Drive.